If you're facing a situation where you need to know how to unlock a washing machine, don't worry, you're not alone and it's a common issue. Washing machines can sometimes lock unexpectedly due to various reasons, but there are straightforward solutions that can help you regain access to your laundry. First, one of the most frequent reasons your washing machine is locked is that it may still be running a cycle. If the cycle has not yet completed, the machine will keep the door securely shut for safety. Give it a few moments after the cycle is supposed to finish. Often, the machine is just finalizing its processes. If the door remains locked, try unplugging the machine from the power source for a few minutes. This can reset the electronics and, in many cases, allow the door to unlock once you plug it back in. Another factor to consider when figuring out how to unlock a washing machine is whether there is still water inside the drum. If there is, the machine will not allow the door to open. Check for any sounds indicating that it is draining. If it seems stuck, you may need to manually drain the water. Locate the drain filter, usually found at the front of the machine, and place a container beneath it. Remove the filter and let the water flow out. After draining, you should find that the door unlocks easily. If the door remains locked even after the cycle has finished and the water is drained, there might be an issue with the door latch. Sometimes, the latch can become stuck or damaged. Check the latch area for any debris that might be obstructing it. If you don't see anything, look for a manual release lever near the door lock mechanism. Pulling this can often release the door manually. If all these steps fail, you might need to explore the internal components of your washing machine. Problems with the control board or the locking mechanism itself can prevent the door from opening. In such cases, it's best to consult a professional technician who can properly diagnose and resolve the issue. Understanding how to unlock a washing machine involves recognizing these common problems and applying the appropriate solutions. Regular maintenance can also help prevent future lockouts. By keeping your machine clean and not overloading it, you'll reduce the chances of encountering this issue again. With a little patience and effort, you can keep your washing machine running smoothly for years to come.